sick.
Oh. Yeah, no, that's her chair. Come on. Oh, look at my flower. Come on.
Oh, it's going to poo.
Yeah, it's already done the poo.
Where?
So, yeah.
Oh, Mum, go near it because I'll get more scared.
Come on. Come on.
Oh my god.
You look, it's getting very scared now.
Come on. Millie, out.
Jack.
Come on. Come on, Puppet.
Mum, it's a bird.
I know, I'm trying to be birdie to it. Be birdie to it. Come on.
Mum. Gonna go on those flowers now.
Looks very nice. Nice flowers. Come on.
Yeah.
Mum, stop whistling.
Stay there, Millie. Stay there. It's okay, Millie. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it, Millie. Leave it. Come on. Millie, please.
Mum, it's on your painting.